As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes, and then it's been spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. Oh, the shirt has been flipped inside out. So what I'm going to do is grab a marker, tie a bit of sinew around this, and I'm going to use this to get my circle on here. And that goes through the collar, so I'm going to pull it back. We'll just go right here. I know that's probably not in the camera right there, but there we go. We're going to go with that. Pull that off. And then we're just going to fold along this line with accordion folds. Alright, that first try was a little too narrow for the folds. My hands don't really do folds that narrow, so a little thicker for this. Alright, go ahead and do one here. It's about 3 inches apart. If you're looking or trying to see what I had on the ruler. Alright, and I'll put a lot of rubber band down here at the end. Probably drop one right here as well, just to keep that in. And we'll work on this side. Alright, I'm actually going to stop that there and switch over to just rubber bands for this little bit. Alright, so probably need to mark this. Is that on the camera? Yeah. Alright. So this is the starting end, and what I'm going to do for this is draw a diagonal probably starting about here. Kind of taking a look and seeing where I need to start the line. Okay, so that's one. So we've got one color there that's going to go down that center part, and then we'll have another color on this side, and then a third color up here, and then all of this is going to be some version of black and white. So let's get started. Alright, this is probably where you should take bets and put down below whether you think I'm going to make another giant mess on the table or not. Yeah, the aluminum foil is the only thing holding it out off of the table. So, anyway, this is what I'm going with because this is what I have available right now. This is the color side and this is the black side. So the colors I'm going with are Fire Red, Cerulean Blue, and Daffodil. And I'm not going with like turquoise and bright yellow and fuchsia or whatever because I want the colors to split into their component colors. For the black side, I'm going with Better Black, Gunmetal Gray, and Charcoal Gray. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add a little custom colored dark black. Along these intersections. I'm sorry, tie lines. I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing it. Alright. Alright, I'm going to add a little soda ash over the top of this. I'm going to let that sit until it melts through. I'm going to move this before it melts to a place where it can just sit the whole time. I'm not sure. I'm probably going to have to add another layer of ice after this one melts, and it is just going to sit in its muck. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that second layer back onto video if I do it, but I'll tell you about it. So, I'll have to let this sit. Alright, it's been over 24 hours, so let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll throw this in the wash and we'll see what comes out. Alrighty, here's the results. Alright, so overall I'm really happy with this. I would have preferred none of the white in here, more like this blue area down here instead of this bit up here. And I would have preferred a little more strength in the yellow. So I think if you do it, you probably need a wider band of yellow or about the same size band of yellow, and then space before you get to the bands of red and blue. That should take care of this missing yellow. This side over here, I think this turned out really well. This might be a little dark. I think this is where I put the... No? Not really sure about this. You would think this would continue down, but it didn't. Minor little things, but overall I think the design works really well. It's definitely something to try. Again, I'm probably going to do it myself just with a larger yellow band and try to get more of that to bleed in. I didn't think I pulled it that tight in order to leave the white lines, but I guess I did. That, or I should have run another cycle of the ice through it. That might have taken care of this. You know, it's one of those things. Never really sure. Let me know what you think, how you think it turned out. And as always, until next time, thanks for watching.